I'm James Higgins from Higgins Concrete and I'm the Group Operations Manager. This road will replace the old Manawatū Gorge Road, which has been notoriously closed over the past few decades for some pretty major slips. It'll go through the Saddle Road, that is its sister road, which is pretty dangerous. And this project will provide a pretty safe connection to the Te Ahu from the Manawatū. The project is, I think it's about 12 kilometres worth of roading, 6 structures, 2 of which you can see. One, Parahaki Bridge behind me, is over 300 metres long, and the Eco Bridge, Bridge 3 behind that, is another 300 metre long bridge. So 2 major structures, 5 or 6 million cubes worth of earthworks, and all the roading associated with it. It's been probably the most technical project that we've ever been a part of. Yeah, we work with Fulton Hogan and Heb, were our primary contacts on this job, and they've been really great to deal with, really professional. And we've done a lot of concrete on the other minor structures, a lot more straightforward projects from a technical perspective. But the challenge on these roads are definitely the access, the weather. Not every day is a beautiful day like this in Palmerston North, but everything else has gone really well. We've supplied a lot of the spray mix shotcrete for this project as well, which has gone really well. The project have had some challenging conditions that they've had to deal with, and we've supported them through that. But from a technical perspective, Parahaki Bridge here definitely takes the cake. The biggest pour that we've supplied on this project is just over 700 cube, and we supplied that through all 3 plants. So we're really strong in the Manawatū that we can do a pour like that. It's something that we're really special to be a part of.
So Markham got involved in the form of concrete admixture for this project. So we set up bulk tanks at the readymix plants close by, and we're able to help with the concrete both in the short term and the long term. The short term involved adding workability, making the concrete easier to place and work with, stop it going off too soon. In the long term, it's helping with durability and waterproofing for the structure. So Markham have been about sustainability since well before it was a catchphrase. We are all about adding life to concrete, and we do this through blocking up and preventing free movement of moisture so that the concrete lasts longer, is more durable, and doesn't need to be replaced early, saving millions of dollars in the case like the project that we're at today. So how colloidal silica hydrogels work is it's in the form of admixture, and it reacts with the moisture inside the structure to form a hydrogel which stays with it for the duration of its design life. So moisture is not able to freely move around, which is doubling the durability of the structure. Site trials were a real success here. There was no bowing when pouring a hollow core style bridge superstructure, and no cracking at all on the wall deck junction.
I put my name forward to get a price in for the mechanically stabilised earth wall contract, which holding up bridge abutments and around the underpasses, made up of 40 kilo concrete blocks, all interlocked with tensile grid or steel ladders, and then compacted back about 10 metres. So overall, over the course of probably a bit under 2 years, we laid down 16,000 40 kilo blocks. We're currently pouring debris channels, which are at the base of the cuts, especially over, or where we're based over in Zone 4, the big Papa batters. So then after that, we've got a little job on Bridge 12, which is just over here. That's a pedestrian bridge for the wetland experience. It comes down off the end of Bridge 3. We've had some challenging times, but overall the finish we're getting on the concrete is, I think, outstanding, given the limitations around site and weather conditions that we're working in. All our boys that are working get a really good sense of satisfaction that they're building something quite tangible. Nice to be a part of something that the community is going to get a lot of use out of. It was hard work, but yeah, we'll get there in the end.
This project is a real game changer, and it's awesome to be involved. So this highway, new 4-lane highway, is absolutely turning things around.
Markham, adding life to concrete.